Signs you have a good heart. Their happiness is your happiness. Marami kasing tao na kapag ka masaya at umasa sa kapwa nila, nagiging maligaya sila. At meron din naman mga tao na hindi nagagala sa tabumpay ng iba. You commit good deeds and you don't want others to know about it. Kapag tayo ay nakakatulong, mas nais na lang natin itong ilihim. At tanging Diyos na lamang ang nakakaalam ng ating ginawang mabuti. Kaysa ito'y sabihin natin sa ating kapwa at ipagyabang. You are always helpful to others. Hindi natin pinakahaitan ng tulong ang mga taong lumalapit sa atin. Bagkus tayo tumutulong nangaayon sa ating kakayahan. You don't want to break someone's heart. You don't make fun to others. Romans 12:3 says, do not think of yourself more highly than you ought, but rather think of yourself with sober judgment in accordance with faith God distributed to each of you.